Hi, good evening, friends. Hope all of you are doing great. So, last week there was a good profit booking by FIIs, and Nifty last week hit a low of somewhere around 19,296, and it was a volatile week. Nifty went down, broke 19,300 level, but it gave a weekly closing above 19,500. So, which was volatile, and it was there were some signs of bearishness which we observed last week. Now let's see what strategy we had devised for last week. So for last week, we wanted to sell 19,300 put and hedge it by buying 19,200 put. So loss was around 18%, and stop loss was target was if 19 minutes, if 5 minutes of Nifty breached 19,400. Now let's study the chart and see if our stop loss was breached. So yeah, stop loss was breached. Apologies for the delay. Yeah, so this the resistance which we had seen, this was in 20th of July of 20,000 resistance, and Nifty hit a low of this was Monday Nifty was positive, opened and 19,666 and closed around 19,753. So Monday strategy was okay. Tuesday also it was okay. Wednesday it had a good gap down opening and opened somewhere around 19,655. So Fitch had downgraded US, and on Wednesday we saw that, and on Thursday it hit even lower, and it hit a low of 19,296. So our stop loss was breached on I think Wednesday. No, it was on Thursday. Opened, went up, and then it hit a low, and it closed around 19,381. So yeah, stop loss was breached. And let's analyze Nifty at a monthly level. Yeah, monthly level you can see this is a month of July month was positive, and after 4 green months, this month was also expected to be positive, but it is a month in progress. 1 week has gone, and Nifty has opened somewhere around 19,784, hit a high of 19,795, and then has come down, and FIs have started some profit booking. RSI hit a high of somewhere around 70, and then now it is retracing back. Analyzing at a weekly level. So weekly level, I have marked these two levels of 20,000 and this low of 19,560, and this weekly was a bearish closing, and Nifty closed somewhere around 19,517. So which means that there is some bearishness, and RSI also, it had went up above 70 and now around 68. So we see that there is some reduction in strength. MACD is appearing little weak. So at a weekly level, RSI reduced strength, and MACD some reduction in strength, showing signs of bearishness. So what is the strategy which we can plan this week? So since Nifty is at a higher level and Nifty is retracing back, either we can take, so I am expecting some consolidation, and the trade which I have planned for this week is this strategy. So we can call it whatever you want, Batman or something. So here this is the strategy which I am planning for this week, in which maximum loss is, this is the beauty of the strategy, 1%. So in 1 week time, maximum loss can be 1% in the worst case, and that will be also when Nifty closes below 19,200, 19,170, or if Nifty closes above 19,900, which I am not expecting to come. So why this trade? So this trade is because our loss is 1%, and margin is around 7.8 lakh. So we will buy 19,700 call one, like 10 lots, sell 19,820 lots, and buy 19,900 10 lots. Similarly, we'll buy 19,400 one lot PE and sell 19,300 PE 20 and 19,200 PE 10. So here, whenever our target for this trade, so we will not wait, like if Nifty comes around 19,180, we will not wait for the trade to end. So our target will be in this trade. Whenever this target will give us profit of 1% or 0.5%, we can exit this trade. Or if Nifty is hovering around these levels, 19,718 to 19,880, so we can keep track of it, or 19,200 to 19,383, we will let it remain. 19,218 to 383, 718 to 883, and between 383 to 19,383 to 19,718, we will not, if Nifty remains stagnant and does not go up or down, but I am expecting some consolidation with some volatility. So whenever we will get 1% or 0.5%, we will exit this trade. And no stop loss, because it is already a risk defined strategy. Analyzing at a daily level, daily level we can see MACD is hinting clear weakness. RSI has crossed 50, now just above 50, which is suggesting weakness at daily level. Either one can take call sell, like sell 700 call, hedge it by buying 800 call, or take some consolidation like non-directional trades. So that's what I have shown. So that will be all. Thank you.